Happy Friday, happy Merry Christmas Eve, and welcome to Wine Friday, a very special edition because this is Christmas Eve, which is a very favorite day of mine. I have saved a really nice transfer for this day to show off for you. It is called True Love Was Born in a Stable. And I'm going to do this transfer. I cannot wait. It is Wine Friday, so I am having some super yummy. I said I should do eggnog, but I don't really like eggnog. We got a little Kahlua in our coffee, so cheers to you guys. I may drink this faster than I drink wine. I'm just saying. Just saying. I read a meme the other day, and it said, why does drinking 8 cups of coffee or 8 cups of water a day seem like so hard? But I could have 8 glasses of wine at dinner. I could never. I would never survive 8 glasses of wine. That would be like ridiculous. But I thought it was hilarious. So let's go ahead and get to work, shall we? I have selected this really cool white square board. This is not a chalk surface. So I am going to do a few things to get it ready for chalking. And I wanted to see, you guys know me and my sanding. I want to see how much I can sand without pulling out the big guns. I think if I sand this, I'm seeing the color be very gray. Let's try it with my big sander. We'll see what the color, and I may have to change my, I may have to change the colors I selected. Maybe, maybe not. But we will soon find out. So, plug your ears real quick. While I'm sanding, you guys, you can take a look at this. If you're brand new, you can type club, add me, or team in the comments for all those reasons to join my group. More ideas, inspiration, and insider information for you in there. Our club is an amazing VIP program, and team, if you're interested in learning more about becoming a designer. I'll be right back. So I like the way this looks. I am going to definitely change out my colors. Originally, I was going to go with a brown theme, but I think we're going to add in a little bit of storm, a little bit of gray in there, just to pull in those colors. I can still do like the camel that I wanted to do. Get that all nice and cleaned. Make sure this is good because it's super distressed, which I love. And then we're going to go ahead and do some waxing. Now, as of the time that I'm recording this video, our wax is still out of stock. It's supposed to be back today or tomorrow. Or yesterday or today, actually. So, I do have stock of the wax. If you are out or you don't have any at all and you like to work with wood surfaces, wax will be your friend. It really will. So, I encourage you to grab a tub. It lasts forever because you use a tiny, tiny bit. And it is $9.99 for the container, and it's just our surface wax, so you can kind of see what it is. There we go. The best thing about it is that there's no color and there's no scent. Unfortunately, I have tried other brands that both have a color to it, like a tinge of yellow, which you don't want on your surfaces, or it stinks to high heaven. So, it's like very fumey. This has neither of those. It's really awesome. Okay. Done with that. That feels really good. I'm going to grab my Storm down here. And I'm going to grab some Ocean Mist because I want Mary in her blue garb. What did I do with the transfer? Here it is. Okay. So with the transfer, before I do anything, you guys know I'm going to write and label the back of the backer sheet. Why do you do that, Sarah? Because when I'm putting my transfer onto the backer sheet, I want to make sure I don't put it on the back because it's a different texture and it won't come off. So I'm going to go ahead and peel this off and grab my fuzzing cloth because we do want to fuzz it. A few times with a brand new transfer, anytime you're working with a wood surface, you are going to fuzz it. If you don't have a fuzzing cloth, you guys, just stick it to your shirt. It works great. Not even kidding. Okay. So we got that fuzzed. I'm going to lay this down kind of centered. As best I can. Okay. Now, I'm going to need some tools. I'm going to need probably my detail tool to do this. And we'll see. I think I'm going to, that's my Storm. This is my Ocean Mist. I'm going to get that. I got some icky chalk in here. Got to get rid of that. Okay. All right, so here's what we're going to do. I know Mary's going to be blue, so I'm going to grab a mini squeegee for her. And I'm going to do the whole thing. This is Ocean Mist. It's kind of a bluish gray color. And I know that I want Joseph, or as Cassie would say when she was really little, Jophus. We're going to have Jophus be camel. Okay. Then I know baby Jesus and my stars, they're all going to be gold. So I'm going to go ahead and get working on this. We're going to do this in Storm. There we go. Looking good. Just kind of dip in my detail tool to get the chalk. I may need to use this also for the stars. The little bitty, but I may not. I may just use a small squeegee, mini squeegee, and like cover the whole thing with gold. All right, so we're done with that. Now, to think of what true love, I feel like true love can be the blue. And then our darkest color is that storm. So I'll go ahead and pick up some more of it and go down here and get those words. Now, I'm gonna work up here for just a second. So I'm gonna lift this. Oh, it looks so good. And I've got my gold ready to go. So I'm just gonna do these stars. And my baby Jesus. Get them all golden. And then we're going to do all of this as gold. Our gold chalk is in stock, by the way. If you are looking for the shopping list for this, it's going to be right in the description of the video. So you'll be able to click on that and see all of the tools that I used, the transfer. Not the surface, because this is a found surface. I found it somewhere. All right. Are you ready for the big reveal? 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Let me wash this real quick and we'll give you a really good review. Oh, it looks so good from over here too. I think I'm in love. I really, really like how that turned out. Those colors, they look so good. So, so good. I'm just getting all the chalk off of my transfer real quick so that I can set it out to dry. It is kind of important to wash your transfer right away, but I'll give you a tip. If you can't, if you're working on something and you need to do multiple things and you don't have a water source right away, it will wash, you know, after the fact. It actually will. And because I have accidentally forgotten to wash surfaces before, and believe it or not, the next day I'll take it to the sink and it will wash off. So don't freak out and think you ruined it, because for sure that's not the case. It'll definitely still wash off. It's just easier. I'm going to put it to you that way. It's easier to wash when it's still wet, and you don't ever want to soak it in water. So don't do that. Let me tidy up around here real quick, and then we'll see what I have. My goodness. I have some of these open from the project I did earlier. Okay. Good deal. Now, if you guys are wondering, I am going to have brand new content all next week. Brand new. That means I am creating videos for you, and then I'm going to premiere them on the page, which means it's going to run at the exact same time my live would be, and it's going to feel like it's alive. That's why I do fake lives. So let's look at this. I definitely need to dry it. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. Okay, let's dry it. And one more quick reminder, if you aren't in my group, totally type the word add me and I will send you an invite to get in there, get those ideas, inspiration, and of course, all the insider info. I will be active on my phone while we do the move. So if you need to send me a message or post in the group, I will be available that way. I'm just taking a week off. I would say I'm taking a week's vacation, but that's a lie because I'm moving my house. So it's not a vacation, I promise. I'm taking a week off so that I can move, get my new studio set up at the new house, and come back with really amazing video on January 4th, that Monday at 8 p.m. I'm in love with this. I was going to add embellishments, but I don't want to. I think it is absolutely perfect the way it is right there. It is a pretty little nativity scene. It could go anywhere in a nice small space. This is the size of this board is 10 by 10. So this is a nice, and it has the hanger, the little hanger here, or you could use that. You don't have to use the jute, but oh my gosh, you guys, I'm in love. I'm in love. I think it's so cute. I think it's just precious. So there you go. I want to tell you all, if you are celebrating Christmas, if you don't celebrate Christmas, I'm just going to wish you an amazing weekend. If you're celebrating Christmas, I hope that the magic of the season is with you and your family today and tomorrow and always. But just know I will be having a little bit of family time today and tomorrow, and then pack and ship, pack and move, and pack and move, and pack and move after that. So if you need anything, you send me a message because I'm working from my phone. I did want to, one quick thing. Some of our surfaces that are retiring have sold out. So if you would like one of the metal trays, I still have a couple of those left. Those have sold out and retired. So this particular tray, what I love about these trays, they're a little distressed, but magnets stick to them. So you can make cute magnet boards with these. So if you need any, and they're only $7.99. They're only $7.99. So hit me up if you want a tray. And then as other things sell out, I've got a bunch in stock. So I've been noticing that a lot of things are selling out. Let me know. Have an amazing Christmas, you guys. Merry, 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 Merry Christmas. And I will see you in the new year. Be back here Monday. I've got a great new video for you Monday, 8 p.m. There will be no bundle next week, but I've got all new content every single day. So I will see you Monday at 8 p.m., guys. Merry Christmas.